Okay, number 3. Ooh, we have a lot of things going on right here. See a lot of need of factoring. So let me just go ahead and take care of these fractions one by one. Seems like the first one I can factor out this. Okay. And then 7y plus 8. I don't think you can do anything about it. So y plus 4, y minus 4. And then y minus 4 right here. Okay, so I think now we have all the factoring done. And what would be the common denominator that we can multiply so that things would be nicer? Now, actually, I'm going to do this. I'm going to simplify first. Always simplify whenever you could. Because now I don't have to worry about the 2. The only thing I would worry about is the y plus 4 and y minus 4. That's the only thing I would need to worry about. If I did not simplify it earlier, then I would probably need to multiply the 2 as well. And that is just one extra piece of work that I have to do for no good reason. And then we say, what, not x in this case, it's y. What couldn't y be? And apparently y couldn't be -4 or 4. So now we can go ahead and simplify stuff. Don't forget the negative on the right-hand side. The x minus 4 will be gone, so you just have y plus 4 left. And then you have 5 times y minus 4, because y plus 4 is canceled out. And then this will be just 7y plus 8. Okay, all right. Now, if you're good with this, then I'm going to tell you that I actually made one mistake. Can you see what mistake I made? All right, give you 5 seconds to think about it. You can pause the video if you need to, but can you see what mistake I made? I did not put a pair of parentheses over here. Okay, how would that change? Well, because if I don't know, I could skip the parentheses, but if I skip it, then I must change the sign from plus to a minus right here. Okay, so it's optional, parentheses optional, but if you don't know that it's going to change the sign, then you better put a pair of parentheses so that you know the negative it's going to spread, expand, distribute into it. Okay. All right, so so you have that. You have 5y minus 20 minus 7y minus 8. And then it's equal to -4y minus 16. So now we can, I'm just going to go ahead and consolidate each side. I mean, well, left-hand side first. Left-hand side is going to be -2y minus 28 is equal to -4y minus 16. I'm going to add 4y to the left-hand side, on both sides, actually. So so we get 2y on the left. And then what would it be? Add 16, so we got 12. It's equal to 0. So you factor out a 2. So y minus 6, okay. 2 times y minus 6 is equal to 0. So y minus 6 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 6. And that is not part of restriction. So yes, that is very lovely. And we can say that the solution is y is equal to 6. Okay. So so make sure that you always try to simplify. You always try to simplify whenever you could. If you could simplify it first, if you see that something is very apparent that could be reduced, if you do that, that usually makes your life easier. Okay.